Everybody, what's up? It is Wednesday, guys. Let's talk eBay. It's a long weekend, so we had an extra day to ship everything, thankfully, because a couple of the items I couldn't find, and you'll see why I couldn't find them when we talk about them. So, we have 8 items going out today. It was a busy but still slow weekend, depending on who you talk to. Holiday weekend didn't help. Pay weekend helped. So we got 8 items. Let's just jump into them. The first item here is one of these Pop It keychain. It's a little witch. This sold for a whopping $1.39. The funny thing is, and I would hate to see what the total purchase price for this buyer is. This is actually going to Germany. I only have to get it to Glendale Heights, Illinois, and then eBay takes it from there, sends it to Germany. So I don't know what they have invested in that little keychain, but thank you. Thank you very much for that purchase. We got a book, guys. We got a book. We got the Low FODMAP Cookbook, 365 days of gut-free, friendly recipes to heal your IBS forever. The 2022 edition. This sold for $7.99 plus shipping. It's medium mail, so it goes out for like $3.92. So they're into it about $12. I would say that's probably a $20 book someplace on Amazon or somewhere. So thank you for that purchase. That one is going to California. Let's see, which one's this? This is one that I could not find. This one is going to Brunswick, Georgia. This was another whopping $1.39. We have a lot of stuff on sale right now. I'm trying to get rid of stuff before the Christmas rush hits. But we got some Claire. These come from Claire's. US was $12.99. It looks like it says $5 on it. But we sold it for $1.39. We'll just put it in an envelope here and ship her off. So thank you for your purchase. We always seal them, but then we put a piece of eBay tape or Scotch tape across here just to make sure. I don't trust the little peel things. That one we'll talk about last. That's a doozy. Here we go. This one is going to California as well. It's another book. Save the Cat writes a novel, the last book of novel writing you'll ever need. So, looks like we might be getting ready to write ourselves a novel. If you're a viewer and you write your novel, let me know. I'll pick it up. So, you pick this up, I'll pick your novel up if you ever write one. So, pretty awesome. Again, this one is going to, I believe I said California. This one sold for $8.79 plus shipping. We got another book here. This one's going to Greensboro, North Carolina. Here. This is The Hinge of the Hail Mary, The Art of Praying the Rosary. Okay. The Hinge of the Mary is the name of Jesus, said Pope St. John Paul II. I'm just reading it. I'm not quoting him. So, this one sold for $4.99. Again, North Carolina bound. Thank you for your purchase. We appreciate everyone. We are running out of these envelopes right here. So, every quarter, every 3 months, we get a $25 eBay certificate because we have a certain level store. As soon as I'm done with this video, we are going to be ordering another box of these, and I think they come 100 per box, I think. And it's like, it ends up costing me like $4 or $5. So, we actually sold a pop. We actually sold a pop on eBay, $8.09. It is Jack Skellington, just in time for Halloween. This one is going to California as well. So, $8.09. We'll tape that up later. It's too loud. This was a pretty good little sale. Pretty neat little thing here. These are the little pullback cars. This is a Dunlap number 9. So, it's City Collection. Tonka made it. Turbo Tracksters. You pull them back and whee, they take off. This sold for $5, and it is going to... Oh, there it is. This one's going to Texas. This one actually sold today. They made an offer on it, and I was like, I'll take it. I think we had it for 10. It's on clearance for 7. I'm like, I'll take 5. It's taking up so much space, you know. And it's been here for a while. Now, the last item today. If you watch any of our Amazon boxes, you watched me pull this out of an Amazon box. Yeah, you can see how big it is because it's in one of these small envelopes. That's why I couldn't find it. It is the little urn with the little spoon scoop with it. It is in loving memory. Has a little cross on it. It is stainless steel. It is metal. This sold for $11.99, $12 plus shipping. So, and it is going to Colorado. So, sorry for your loss, but thank you for the purchase. So, that's our 8 items today. We'll get those last 2 boxed up. Everything will be put out tomorrow morning for the mailman to pick up. Sorry, the neighbor and their loud car just went by. Ooh, so cool to have a loud car, right? But everything will be picked up tomorrow morning and shipped off. So, guys, as always, BDS Paint. Do one good thing for everybody. Check out our eBay store. We'll link it down below, and we'll see you later.